Another available function is the Digital Nutrition App, or DNA. It will provide you with digital nutrition programs for Healy containing resonance frequencies for micronutrients and vitamins to bioenergetically support the absorption and synthesis of these vital substances. In addition, you will receive food recommendations that will support your balanced diet. First, start the assistant and answer the questions to receive personalized programs and food recommendations. If a question does not apply to you, please use the No Selection option. You may also select multiple answers to a question. After you have answered all the questions, you will find the recommendations for the appropriate digital nutrition Healy programs. You can add them to My Programs and start them directly within the HealAdvisor app. Please always make sure that your Healy is switched on. If you return to the Digital Nutrition app, you can revise your last results, change the entries, or start from scratch. When you select Shopping List, you see a list of recommended foods results from your input to the questionnaire. Here you can also change your nutritional type and your intolerances. Go through the list for suggestions for your grocery shopping. At the bottom of the screen, you can save this list as a PDF file to your smartphone. When you add new digital nutrition programs to My Programs, the corresponding food recommendations are automatically added to your shopping list.